I'm going to be showing y'all how I install this beautiful 26-inch loose deep wave on camera. So once again, this is Wiggins 26-inch loose deep wave hair. This is their 6x6 closure unit, and I do love, y'all, I love the closure because I have so much space. I can go from here to here. I can part it any type of way I want. I can do a side part, middle part, zigzag part, anything, whatever I want to do, I can do it. I love the lace on this unit. As y'all can see, it blends so good. All I did was use water and conditioner in the spray bottle, and I put my Curl Max product on it, and as y'all can see, it's very low maintenance. Like, the ends are poofy, but it's not overbearing. Like, it's not too much of poofiness. Like, this, I can deal with this because it's not a lot, and it just all blends together. I'm gonna rate this hair a 10 out of a 10. Shout out to Wiggins Hair. They sent me a whole bunch of goodies in this little bag. Y'all make sure to follow them on all their social media. Make sure y'all check out this unit right here. I'm gonna leave all the links in the description box, and I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the rest of the video.